This week on Dude Stuff.
This is the smallest e-bike I've ever been sent, but I'm not reviewing it today. I'm reviewing two. So this is the D3F by a company called Dyu. It's a semi-folding 250 watt mini e-bike with 14-inch wheels. The handlebars fold completely down, the seat goes up and down. It's got dual disc brake. I've purposely asked for two of them because I think it'd be a lot more fun to put them head to head in a few challenges. I really like the look of it straight away. We're going to find out if these things are actually any good. So without any further ado, we'll get straight on into the video. Right guys, first challenge of the day is the classic tag. We're going to start with a classic game of tag. We've got these massive long pool noodles on a tiny little electric folding bike. What can go wrong? It's a genuine test. It's a genuine test, I promise. Right, let's go. Uh-oh. Whoa. Shit, I'm cornered. Who's it? I thought I'm it now. I thought I'm chasing you. All right, scrap it. It's an all out. What? I think I've missed you every single time. I think we can safely say I lost that one on all accounts, so 4 points to team number two, bike number two today. On to the next challenge. Right, we've come to the running track for challenge number two. We're going to be doing a slalom down these cones on the track and back again, but the catch is we're going to be wearing blindfolds. Right, so rider number two is going to go first, and it's whatever rider manages to like fuck it up the least. Let's go. Rider, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Left, right, right. Left, circle, big circle. Big circle. Run, left. Oh no, I'm not sure if he's dead.
3, 2, 1.
Which way am I going?
Right, left. Right. Left. Oh,
Oh no. The D3F has a suggested range on their website of about 30 miles. Realistically, I think you're probably looking at getting around about 20 miles more realistically on pedal assist. Maybe a bit more, it all depends on how you ride the bike. I feel like I might have done all right. Would you put it past a 2 out of 10?
yeah, it'll probably be a 3.
3 out of 10. Final challenge to decide who's the winner on the D3F e-bikes is, as you can see behind me, I've got a 4 salt course set up. For such a small little bike, it's actually quite comfortable and pretty ergonomic, to be fair. I mean, I know the seat is very adjustable for different height riders. Despite it being small, it's still going to suit most height people. The ride's pretty comfortable, and you have just got one gear, which may be somewhat limiting, but at the same time it's less complicated for maintenance. It's just a nice, simple, basic bike. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it's apart throttle aside, it has got a throttle which I actually like. I know that's a bit of a controversial subject. It's a 250 watt e-bike that's way easier to ride than a normal bike. It's fun, it's small, it's cheap. You know, it's comfortable, you got disc brakes. It's a good little bike. If I was to come up with any cons of the bike, there's not many, but I would say that looking at the size of it, I would have imagined it was only about 12, 13 kilograms. And it comes in at a, somewhat heavier 17.5 kilos, which was a little bit surprising to me that it's it's still got that amount of weight. Probably comes in about 5 kilograms or so, to the equivalent full-size bike. So it's still a bit of a weight saving, but those people that are not very strong might struggle to get up a flight of stairs. It's worth bearing that in mind. The other downsides worth bearing in mind, it doesn't have a speedo, but the fact that it doesn't do over the 15.5 miles an hour UK e-bike law speed limit, I don't think it's entirely necessary. It just keeps it basic, it keeps it cheap. Doesn't bother me, but it's worth pointing out. The only other thing that I would point out on this is let me know in the comments if I'm wrong, but I've not found any resources online that says how to unlock this model of e-bike. Most of the time you can unlock a 250 watt e-bike to do about 20 miles an hour, squeeze another 5 miles an hour out of it. I've not seen any way to do that. Let me know in the comments if you've got one of these or have seen a way to unlock this, but I don't think there's an easy way of squeezing more speed out if you want more speed, but it's going to do most people. So would I recommend buying a Dyu D3F? Yeah, I would. I've already got, my friend who helped me do the video today, he wants to buy one of them already, I can see why the appeal. It's small, it takes up not a lot of room, it's super cheap. I put a retail up on the screen now because I've seen it vary on a few different websites, but it comes in way cheaper than most e-bikes. And if you are thinking about one of these, check out the link in the video description. I'll give you the official link to get a legit bike where you shouldn't have any troubles and you should be able to get a decent price. All help support the channel. Also, coming up on the channel this week, I've got another review coming up in the next couple of days of something completely different to this. Much bigger, bit different with a style. I'll put a little teaser photo up now. So if you want to check out more content, make sure you're subscribed, leave us a comment, and thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in a video soon. Take it easy.